Hello, and welcome to the tutorial video for the Disney World Countdown app on Google Play by Nail Driven LLC. I have 3 different phones here today. We're going to go through several different ways of getting the widget installed. We're going to open the Google Play Store. We're going to search for the app. We'll search for Disney World. Hit More. Right now we are number 7. Going to go ahead and install this, and for this app it requires no special permissions. So at Nail Driven LLC we try to make the apps require only the minimum permissions. That way your privacy is protected as much as possible. Okay, from here really this app is an app widget. So there's an app portion where you configure your date for your trip, and there's a widget portion that displays the amount of days left till your trip. So it's a pretty simple app widget, and we're going to start here by opening it. Now this opens the app where you configure your date. If you had the first one, it's a little different. There's no set and cancel button. There's only an OK button. So you set your date, let's say June 30th, and in the background this actually is saving the date as you set it. That is a little different than the first one. The first one you had to hit the set button. You don't have to do that here. You just change it and it saves the date in the background. I've added a couple of links to our other apps, our other Disney apps by Nail Driven LLC. These are our interactive maps. If you haven't checked those out, please check them out. You'll enjoy them. This light version is a free one you can download. If you click on that, it'll take you right to the Google Play Store. You can watch the video. You can see yourself in the map as you walk around the parks. You can get walking directions to any of the rides and see the locations for all of the restaurants, all the bathrooms, key information, that kind of stuff. And including the newest feature, which is ride times. So you will enjoy that, and it'll be very useful, especially to see yourself in the park while you're walking around. The paid version is 99 cents, and the light version gives you the Epcot map for free. The other ones are in the paid version. So anyway, back to this. So we've set our date. We can hit the OK button here, and that just closes the app portion, but we haven't added the widget yet. So I'm going to hit the back button here, or I can hit my home button, and that will put me to my home screen. I have to hold down, and this is KitKat here, so I pick Apps and Widgets. There's 2 tabs. At the top there's an Apps tab and a Widgets tab. I need to go to Widgets. I need to scroll over to the Disney World Countdown. It's usually alphabetical. There it is. I hold it down and I pick a location. And when I let go, it puts the widget down that shows the days. I've already set it in the app, and so it shows the days left. Now I can go in here, I can hit Apps tab, and I can add a shortcut to the app by holding it down and bringing it down. But that shortcut doesn't do anything for the app except open it up where I can configure. The only thing that shows the days is the widget. So down here is the app shortcut. That's not what you need. Here is the widget. That is what you want. You can click on the widget graphic to reset the date if it changes, and it'll save the date change there. You can also click on the app to set the date. We'll go to 2015. Lots of days left. Okay, so let's go to our next phone. This is Android 4.0.3, I believe. This is an HTC Evo 3D. I'm going to go to the Play Store. I'm going to search for Disney World. Hit More. I'm going to install it here. Again, doesn't require any special permissions. Awesome. Okay, and you see here I'm actually going to go add the widget first before I configure it, so that way you can see how that works. So I'm going to hit the home button. It's going to put me back here. Here we go. We'll pick a home screen that has some space. You can really pick any home screen that has a 2x1 space. I'm going to hold down. This one's a little different. It gives me widgets, or widget, app, and shortcut. I'm going to pick widget, and then it just gives me a list. Here I don't hold down, I just click. So I want Disney World Countdown. I click it, and it throws it on the page. I can hold it down and move it then, and it moves around. It says 0 days, that's the default when you haven't configured it. So when I click this, it'll open the app portion. I can set it to June 30th, and again I have those shortcuts for the other apps. Hit OK, and it throws it in there. Now I can even change this and not hit OK, just hit back to close it, and it will change it. So when you change this, it will save it in the background. You do not have to hit the OK button, but it's there just to have something to sort of exit you out. Okay, now this is an old school LG Optimus. This is Android 2.2. You will see that it's a little slower, much smaller screen. Hopefully you can at least see it a little bit. Okay, we're number 3 on that one. It doesn't have as many apps available. I'm going to install it. Hit continue. And this should download and install pretty quick. And we'll go ahead and open it from here after it's finished installing, of course. There we go, we opened it up. We'll say June 30th again, and we'll hit OK. That's the app portion. We'll hit the back button. I got actual real buttons here, hitting the back button. Hold down again. This one has the options for widgets. Pick widget. And here it has a list. I'm going to pick Disney World Countdown, and it throws it down. And then I can hold down and move it around if I want. And again, this isn't the shortcut, this is the widget. If I were to go add the shortcut, I would need to scroll through here, if I can find it. There it is, and throw the shortcut on. The shortcut doesn't show you the days, the widget shows you the days. And so, same as the other ones, I can change it, it saves it in the background automatically. I don't even have to hit the OK button, it'll update and change it. So there you go. I hope this has been helpful. I know there's been a few issues, and I just wanted to do as much as I could to get people up and running. It's a free app. We just, love Disney World. We know you, if you're going there, you're going to enjoy your vacation, and it's always fun to see how many days are to go and to sort of get you excited for the trip. So hopefully this gets you up and enabled and get that widget going, and you can enjoy that on your while you prepare for your trip. If you have any questions, please email us, naildrivenllc@gmail.com. We would love to help you get this running. I've showed you 3 different phones here, 3 different Android OSs. I know there's a lot of variations out there, but it really should work on anything. So we will help you get up and going. And I think with the new changes in this video, I think most people should be up and going. So let's hope this helps you out. And if you still need further assistance, please email us. We will be happy to help. Thank you. Enjoy your trip. Bye-bye.